Exploring the beauty of nature. Admire the greenery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beauty of the English language and explore its various expressions. Today, we're going to unfold the layers behind a simple yet picturesque phrase, admire the greenery. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply a nature lover, this video is crafted for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together, shall we? Admire the greenery might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's a richness to it that goes beyond its surface. To admire means to look at something with appreciation, pleasure, or respect. It's not just a fleeting glance. It's about truly taking in what you see, savoring its beauty or excellence. Greenery, on the other hand, refers to green plants or vegetation, often those that add beauty to a place. It's the collective term for trees, plants, and lawns that paint our environment in various shades of green. When we talk about greenery, we're talking about nature itself, in its most verdant and lush form. Why do we use the phrase, admire the greenery, and why is it important? This expression is not just about observing nature. It's about connecting with it on a deeper level. It signifies a moment of pause, a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life to appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds us. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with technology and urban development, admire the greenery serves as a gentle reminder of the peace and tranquility that nature offers. It encourages us to slow down, be present, and find joy in the simple beauty of the world. Incorporating admire the greenery into your everyday language can enrich your communication, especially when expressing your experiences with nature. Here are a few examples of how you can use it. After a hectic week, I went to the countryside to admire the greenery and recharge. Our hotel room had a fantastic view, allowing us to admire the greenery from our balcony. During our nature walks, we take our time to admire the greenery and breathe in the fresh air. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences to shared moments with others. It's versatile and evocative, making it a beautiful expression to add to your linguistic toolkit. We hope this exploration into the phrase, admire the greenery, has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty around you. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about connection, both with each other and with the world we inhabit. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and keep admiring the beauty that life has to offer.